Can CyberGhost block ads? That's what we're here to answer today. CyberGhost is a fantastic VPN all around. We talk about it on the channel a lot, but can it keep you safe from ads and trackers and malware distributors? Well, yes, it can. Let me show you. Right now, it's off. It is disconnected. And I am in the Brave browser, which has a lot of great security features, but I have disabled them all. I have allowed all cookies. I have allowed all JavaScript and pop-ups. I have turned off all safe browsing features. It's bad, okay? You should not try this at home. You should not do this ever. I have no extra ad blocking extensions installed, so this thing is insecure. Now I've gone to canyoublockit.com, which is a site where you can test your ad blocker. This is the extreme test. It contains all of the scummiest, worst ads you can encounter on the internet. Oh boy. Pray for the soul of this Windows PC. Okay. I did not get the interstitial ad as mentioned here, but I did get this notification, which no thank you. I have received some pop-ups. I click and lots of terrible things happen. It completely took me away. There we go, just about every banner ad under the sun. Yeah. Kids, don't try this at home. Now I'm going to turn on CyberGhost VPN, but first, and you should always do this, check that block content is on. This uses DNS blocking to block domains used for ads, trackers, and malware, all of that stuff. I am now connected to the United States, and let's refresh just to be clear. All right, let's see what we see. This is from the website itself. I did not get the notification. I did not get the interstitial ad again. Let's see what happens. Okay, the video just plays. Okay, some pop-ups can still happen. No ad blocker is absolutely perfect, but most of these banner advertisements are gone. All in all, this is a really good ad blocker. Mind you, that is the extreme test. Let's go with the simple test, for example. And there is this interstitial ad, but the ad itself doesn't show up. And there we go. Lots of ad blockers and memes about using the ad blockers. All right, that is it. As you can see, CyberGhost VPN content blocking actually does provide a lot of protection. I would still recommend turning on your browser's built-in ad blocker if it has one, or installing an ad blocking extension, because no one solution is enough. You usually need a couple of them to block everything. But generally speaking, CyberGhost VPN blocked almost all of that on its own, which is pretty darned good, and this comes by default free with any CyberGhost VPN plan. That's it. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I had fun making it. This is Ezekiel Bruni saying, please do like and subscribe if you found this video useful or helpful. And also check out the links in the description, because down there we'll have a discount link for CyberGhost VPN, as well as a link to the full review with all of the CyberGhost features, and of course, all of the tests we've run with it. Alright, this is me signing out.